Hi there, welcome to Adventures in Glass with Doug. That's me. This channel is where we learn how to use thrifted glass and create some neat garden sculptures, indoor tabletop sculptures, bird baths, fountains, lots of cool things. Be sure to check out some of the other videos I've got if you need to know the basics and need to get some ideas, because I've got plenty of videos for you to watch. Today I'm going to just stay fairly simple with just a construction today. I'm not going to do a whole lot of talking, but I found that I was inspired by the month of February and Valentine's Day. I'm not quite sure I'm going to make getting this posted before Valentine's Day, but the point is I found some interesting pieces that kind of go along with that theme. And I will point out, if you haven't subscribed, please do. Give me a thumbs up. And if you need to buy any supplies like the silicone that I recommend, check the description below. It has a link to that Amazon spot. Okay, what are we going to do today? Well, I've got a bowl. As I said in the last video, I like to start with a nice heavy base so that it's not going to be tippy or anything. And this bowl definitely is heavy. It's nice because it's got a heart motif around the outside, and I thought that would work. We're going to take that. Of course, we're going to take our trusty silicone as the adhesive. And as I've often said, it works for me. You might want to try other things like epoxy, but I appreciate the fact that I can reconfigure some pieces that might have broken or had other problems with water intrusion or something of that sort, and I needed to break a couple of pieces apart. Well, I did that earlier today to salvage a piece that I'm going to reuse. Okay, we're going to put this vase, which is really cool because it has these red hearts on it. We're going to put that on top of the base bowl. Now, I took the time to clean all these first so they're ready to go. Well, it looks like the tube that I was going to start with has dried out, so I had to get a new tube. I like to have a turntable to allow me to work and be sure that it's all placed symmetrically, centered up. It comes in very handy. And then my next step is going to be putting a plate on top. For this design, I think we're going to go face down, like the brim of a hat. So for our topper, I have some of these red glass beads. They're always helpful when you have some gaps where you want to put a little color in. So I put a couple of those there. I have a topper that is like a single candle holder globe that I like. We're going to put some generous silicone on that. And just for the heck of it, I think we'll go with one more on the top. Because we can. And that's our Valentine sculpture. So happy Valentine's Day to you and someone special, and enjoy. Be sure to subscribe. Watch the other videos, give me a thumbs up, you know all of that, and we'll see you next time.